Good morning, Ted Leginski, City Spindle Repair. Really excited to talk to you guys about a new partnership we just signed with Fastenal. We're a partner. We're going to be promoting our spindle repair services together. And if you don't know Fastenal, which I'd be shocked, they're a 20,000 employee organization that's working really heavily in the machine tool sector and net sales of $5 billion. These guys are looking to double in sales in the next 5 years, as are we. And just really excited to be working with a company that's so heavily versed in the machine tool environment, a company that is expanding, that stands for quality, for excellence, and aggressive lead times, aggressive customer service, as is the Motor City. I think we're a perfect match for one another, and just really excited about the tremendous success we've already been able to have in 2019. I look forward to closing out this year strong and making 2020 another record year for both organizations. So reach out to me about more information about Motor City Spindle, about Fastenal, and how we can help you. Whether you work for an end user or whether you work for the Fastenal organization, look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, guys. Stay awesome.